how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company is Crystal Edge Technology Screens. Our second company is BlackSeriesEdition.com. This is the Black Series Edition mapping technology. So basically it's a screen paint developed for all kinds of visual effects, for tabletop effects, ceilings, floors, whatever you can name. This technology is designed to do it. We got a commercial coming up in a few minutes. Okay, this is not bad. So basically it's a spray on and roll on application for just about anything you want. So you don't have to have projector mapping only. You can use, it's basically designed for visual effects, special effects, holograms. We're going to have two different versions of the coating. So one's going to be jet black, the other one's going to be clear. Clear, it's going to be used more for floors, something high traffic areas like tables, stuff like that. And the black version is for the ceiling, walls, stuff like that. Projector mapping and all that cool stuff. So we're going to push it back another 2 more months because there's some things I want to work out with the product before I launch it. Now what we have here, this is my table coated with the formula, which we call our advanced ambient light rejection. 38 in Roman numbers, and this is a 3D black mapping Black Series. This is going to be on our BlackSeriesEdition.com website. It's going to come with free worldwide shipping. It will be available in 50-ounce containers. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you for your time. I have to go, and God bless.